Assalamualaikum. I'm Safia binti Awang from Department of Mathematics, Science and Computer, Polytechnic Sultan Mizan, Zainal Abidin, Dungun. I'm teaching DBM2013 course, which this course consists of 3 chapters. First is Exponent and Log, second is Differentiation, and third is Integration. In the second topic, there is a subtopic which is rate of change. Rate of change is quite difficult topic for student to understand because the student cannot understand the question. So to overcome the problems, I use chalk and talk, and I also put multimedia enjoyable learning atmosphere, which is iSprint and YouTube. Okay, during the first session of the subtopic, I'll explain to the student how to solve the problem, which is consist of 5 steps. Okay, there are 5 steps to solve the problem rate of change. First step, student needs to list down all the information given. Second, the student needs to insert all the formula. Either the question asks them about the area, the volume, or etc. And third step, the student needs to differentiate the formula. Fourth step, the student needs to substitute all the value from the information given. And last, the student can find the answer for the rate of change. That's for the introduction for the rate of change. And then, for the next session, I will show them the video which relates how to solve the problem, which asks them how to solve the rate of change. I use YouTube video in the classroom so that the student can understand the subtopic easily.
1.5 centimeters per second. How fast is the volume changing when the radius is equal to 5 centimeters?
And learning session, I used to give my student early handouts. So I used to give them 1 day before my next subtopic. I give them the handouts to make sure that they read on their own first, try to get the view, and then in the next class they are more easy for them to understand what I'm going to teach them. During my teaching also, I used to give 3 examples, and then I will ask students to come in front and try to solve the problems. I used to call around 2 or 3 students to solve the problems in front. At the end of my session, I will give my students extra exercise. I used to give them around 5 to 10 exercises. And the question will be discussed in the next session. From that discussion, I can evaluate either my student understand the subtopic or not. If I find out they cannot understand the subtopic, I will repeat the subtopic again for that day.
Student from Safia class, right?
Yes.
Okay. I just want to know what do you feel about her?
She's actually one of a kind. She got a special talent in teaching mathematics.
Okay.
She got her teaching style is easy, can understand very easily.
Okay.
Some more, she's very caring towards the student, even though she's strict sometimes, but she still got the love.
Okay.
Exactly like the mother's love.
Okay.
Even after class, she will advise the student. Another thing I like mostly about her is every class she will give homeworks.
Somehow, what do you think about her style of teaching? I mean about She's chalk and talk and always use the modern and conventional style.
Yes, every time she teach, she will show her face, show smile.
Okay, okay, that's nice one. What do you think about her style of teaching?
She has many styles. If the student want to ask her question, she will never hesitate to answer the question.
Oh, you mean she helped you a lot?
Yes.
Okay.
She also teaches until we understand that in exam we can do better to get a
Better result.
better result.
Okay, that's very nice of your opinion. Thanks, Izzuddin.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Rosa Amalina. I know Puan Safia since 2003. She is good and nice person. She is committed and excellent lecturer. She is very close and caring with their students. During the teaching and learning, she used the PowerPoint and explanation how to calculate and solve the problems of the rate of change. She also uploads the notes and exercise at CDOS platform. So it's easy to students to learn everywhere by e-learning using CDOS. Students also can download that material. She always discuss with office mate if she have any problems regarding to maths subject.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nik Muhammad Tasnim bin Nik Ibrahim. I know her since 2005 and she very committed in teaching. In her class, I think it's brilliant because she used two combination method in teaching the mathematics subject. The first one is the e-learning method that use the iSpring to present to the student. The second one is the conventional method. I agree with her because in teaching mathematics, we have to use this combination method to make students quick, interesting and more understanding compared by using only one method. In one class, each student have the different level understanding in any chapter. So she used the traditional methods, sometimes check every student, then make them understanding perfectly.